Hey there, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I thought we would do a quick flip through of the first 15 days of my 100 Days of Grace and Gratitude devotional journal. I've been working on this every morning, so I'll get up in the morning and I'll get ready for work, and then I try to spend 10 to 15 minutes before I go to work working in my book. Some days, I'm going to be honest, I don't actually get to it until after work, and I had one day where I actually had to do it the next day because I just did not have time. Things did not work out. You can still get this book over on the Daysprings. It is still for sale, and you do not have to start. If I know it's the middle of the month already, but you could start at the beginning of December and work your way through there. I'm really enjoying this book. It gives you a good, quick way to spend a little bit of time with your father in the morning or in the afternoon or whenever you want to, and it's not time consuming. So that's what I'm loving about it so far. I know a lot of girls have done their spiral binding here on the side. I guess you can get that done at a print shop or Staples or someplace like that. I decided not to do that because we don't live next to someplace like that, so I'm just going to go ahead and work through my book as it is. So let's go ahead and do a quick flip through, and I'm going to go ahead and show you some things, and just so you know, I'll put a list of everything I used down in the description box so that you can, if you see something you like, you can go pick it up if you'd like. So I try to keep every page with in the color scheme. So I didn't like put hot pink on any of the pages if it doesn't go with it. So I start out, and over at Illustrated Faith, the Print and Pray shop, you can pick up the Wordfetti over there that has prompts for every day. And then you can cut those out and put them on your page if you want. You print them on sticker paper, peel them off, and stick them in there. But it is free, so you can head over and grab that. This is from the Simple Stories I Am collection. It's the little Euphoria pack I had sitting around on my desk. I thought it would be perfect for going in here. And I think this was another one that came in there, or it was from the Print and Pray shop over there, because I did print out a couple of things from over there. I did a Gratitude 2018 Euphoria set by Illustrated Faith, and I also printed out a Gratitude Habit by Shanna that was available over there. So I thought those were really cute. So like the little girl here, I thought she was adorable, and I just printed her on some white sticker paper. I know you can still see the paper, but I just didn't care about that. And then I added some washi tape down here from the printable, and here's some washi tape that came with our Grace and Gratitude kit this month. I'm sorry to say that is already sold out, but in the next few days the new kit will be available, and it's super cute. So if you're thinking about picking that up, I highly recommend it. And then I try to every day put my Wordfetti on somewhere on my page. And then I've done some stamping here from the little stamp set that came with our kit. And then I added some of the little cardstock leaves that also came with it. And we'll flip the page. So we got day 4. Again, I've added some washi tape up here. And I've tried to keep every page cohesive with a thankful stamp. And then I put the number 4. And then I put whatever the prompt was for the day on the page. And then I again use my stamp sets. I've got some leaves and the little crosses, and these little dots I think are adorable. We got some washi tape at the top, and here's my Wordfetti that was free, so you can use that. And I just printed this out on cardstock. I decided I like the colored ones better than the white ones I used on the first day, and so that's what I'm using. This is from the Simple Stories I Am collection. Then over here, we got some labels. I seen one of the other girls putting some labels on their page, so I had to rush over and grab some labels from the Illustrated Faith store so that I could print some out, and I like how it looks all layered up on there. And then we got the squirrel from the printable, and then you've got your little Wordfetti here. And then this little card here is it's a pocket prayers card that comes from Allie's Scraps, and I'll go ahead and put that down there too. And it comes with a bunch of different colors, but make sure if you want to order that you get the one that's 3x4 size, because I ordered the wrong size to begin with, and it was pretty big. I still used it. This is the one that was too big, but I just cut it off. But if you order the right size, it's perfect for going in the little space right here. Okay, then we got day 5. So day 5, I decided that I was going to add some paint to my page, and I just put some on my little card and I swiped it on the page and called it good. If you're going to use paint though, you're going to want to be careful because this paper is not made for that. So I tried to use it sparingly, and it did kind of warp the page a little bit. So just be aware of that when you're doing it. You're not going to want to get the page too wet. And then, let me see, did I do it on this side? Then over here I decided that I was going to start underlining some of the words I liked in the story over here, and then talking, and maybe put some boxes around them just to draw my eye to that part of the page. Then I've added some washi tape, some more Simple Stories I Am collection, and my journaling over here. Day 6. Every day I've tried to make sure to put my lines in here on things I really liked about this side of the page, and some things I want to remember, like Deposit of Love. I've outlined that so it really stands out. Praise His name, so that really stands out. Again, you've got your thankful for small reminders. And then down here I used a couple of the little stamps from the stamp set that came with our kit this month that has acorns. This is a printable, but I kept it pretty simple. I don't want it to be too full up or too busy. I want it to take, 10, 15 minutes, and then you're good to go. Day 7, we switched over to pink, and I didn't really have any pink stuff out, but I found the Wordfetti had some pink in there. And then I stamped with some kind of dark reddish colors for my page to kind of go with the pink, because I just didn't have any to match this, but I think it went great with this kind of off pink color right here. And then we got more of our labels from the Illustrated Faith Print and Praise shop that I've layered up here, along with some more of my printables that I just cut out and stuck on. Day 8. Isn't this rabbit adorable? I love him. And here I got lacking, and I forgot to put my underlining over here, so evidently I was in a rush that morning. I used some gold ink pad down here to make this kind of sparkly and stuff like that. Again, your Wordfetti, and more stamping up here. But all this other stuff over here was already on the page. All these cute circles and stuff. I love that. There we go. Let's see, down here I've cut out some words, and then today we're supposed to be thinking of someone we're going to be forgiving. So you're supposed to put that down here on the little line. And then up here I've added some more stickers, and I did a little flower stamp today. But again, nothing too fancy. We're just going to add some stuff to our page. I really like this one. It's got a giant heart over here. Isn't that just adorable? And then today, our little prayer down here was about walking in freedom. So I used some printables again to put some little shoes on there, just because it reminded me of the prayer down here. And then today I also used my stencil to do some acorns on the background. Here, this page, I really didn't do much this day. I was definitely in a rush when I did this, because this was already on here. So all I've done is added a couple strips of washi tape, taped down or glued down my Wordfetti, and a little bit up here, and that was it. It's time to go to work. Then over here we've got day 12. So again, here's a cute printable I did with some little books, and I just liked that it went with the page. And then up here got really crafty, and I did some washi tape and a little tag that kind of hangs off the page. Nothing too fancy. Day 13, I again used some printables. I just cut them out and stuck them in there. And then today I decided that for thankful, I would put his strength above that. So his strength, I'm thankful for his strength, though. I've got it up here and then down here my sticker. And then I really like this little cutout, or this little printable here of the girl that looks like she's looking down. So maybe she's reading her Bible down here. Then we got day 14, again, some more printables. I just cut them out on cardstock and stuck them right in the book. And I tried to keep it a little bit cohesive. I liked the little pumpkins here that went with the flower colors. They were already this color. And then because the page was kind of this bluish green color, I decided to use some of the blue hearts that were on the printable too. And then over here I've highlighted Praise the One and Call on His Name. Then we're going to finish it off with day 15, which is today. So I'm pretty proud that I've kept up so far. So I really like this cross right here that was already on the page, so I didn't want to cover that up. So I just kind of put a couple of little things out here on the outside, and I did some little stickers that came with these stickers here. And this kind of, my trust kind of stuck down, and you couldn't really see it, so I decided I would underline that so it really drew your eye to that. And then I put this giant thank you sticker down here, and this cute little rabbit was in the stamp set for our kit this month, so I really like that. So anyway, that is day 15. I think I'm doing pretty good so far with keeping up. I'll make sure to put everything I used, or if you're interested in it, down in the description box. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below, and I will make sure to get back to you. I'll also put a link to the unboxing of the Grace and Gratitude kit and the new Grace and Gratitude kit. If you're interested in that, that'll be available on November 19th. So even if it's linked down below, and it'll say out of stock until it becomes available, but on the 19th you'll be able to grab that. So make sure and leave me a comment down below, or just say hi. That'd be awesome. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the little bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.